A Filipino maid has won a legal battle for the right to apply for permanent residency in Hong Kong. A court ruled that it was unconstitutional to deny foreign maids that privilege. The Philippines is calling this a victory for equal rights, while Indonesia says it could pave the way for similar action elsewhere. But the Hong Kong government is set to appeal against the ruling amid fears that it could open the door to a flood of applications.
The judgment was out in Hong Kong's landmark right of abode case as Filipino domestic helper Evangeline Banao Vallejos won the opening battle in her bid for permanent Hong Kong residency.
We spoke to Miss Vallejos. She said thank God. She said she thanked all the people who helped her, including her employer and her lawyers. She's busy working, so she has no time to be here today.
Ms. Vallejos has been a domestic helper in the city for 25 years and launched the judicial review after the Immigration Department refused to grant her permanent residency. Under Hong Kong's mini-constitution, the Basic Law, a foreigner can gain permanent residency after living continuously in the territory for 7 years. However, the city's immigration law excludes some 290,000 foreign domestic helpers, stating they are not considered to be ordinarily resident. In his judgment, Justice Johnson Lam rejected the argument by government lawyers that terms of employment and ties to their home countries mean foreign helpers' residents in Hong Kong are out of the ordinary. The judicial review was closely watched by migrant workers who called it a victory.
I think the government should start to correct all those injustices that have been made to those who have applied in the past.
However, opponents fear granting the right of abode could open the floodgates to an influx of up to 500,000 people, including the children and spouses of the helpers.
If there's a sudden flow of a huge amount of immigrants, that means the social resources in housing, education, government assistance, in any other social resources, we just simply can't do it in one day.
It appears this case isn't quite over yet, as the judge has asked for further submissions on October 26. The court will also hear 2 more cases of foreign domestic helpers fighting for Hong Kong residency next month, so it appears this issue will remain in the spotlight for quite some time.
The hearing in October is expected to determine whether Vallejos can be declared a permanent resident. Leslie Tang, Channel News Asia, Hong Kong.